What is going on in the Central Valley real estate market? Well, homeowners, let me provide you with some valuable information. Hi, I'm Debbie Pellum with London Properties in Fresno. Home sales in the Central Valley have skyrocketed in May, adding fuel to a real estate market that has, in many ways, defied the broad effects of the pandemic. With this push forward, I will continue to keep you apprised of our real estate market here in the Central Valley. There are still many moving parts in the marketplace, and my goal is to condense what we're seeing and give you an accurate picture of the opportunities. That being said, May's numbers are in, and here's what happened locally. Pending sales, which are homes that went into contract, are up 46%. New listings are up from April 2020 by 15%. The average sales price is stable, and it's up 5% year over year. Now, overall inventory is down 25% from this time last year. And lastly, homes are on the market about 43 days on average, which is less than last year at 51 days. As the health crisis started making its way throughout our country earlier in spring, sellers have been cautious about putting their homes on the market. This hesitation stemmed primarily from fear of the spread of the coronavirus, and understandably so. This abundant caution has greatly impacted the number of homes for sale and slowed the pace of a typically busy spring real estate season. With many states beginning a phased approach to reopening, best practices and health and safety guidelines for the industry are in place to increase the comfort level of buyers and sellers. What we see today, though, is that sellers are still making a very calculated return to the market. In their latest weekly housing trends report, Realtor.com indicates new listings on the slow path to recovery. Nationwide, the size of declines held mostly steady this week, dropping 23% over last year, a slight increase over last week, but still an improvement over the 30% declines in the first half of May. Although we're starting to inch our way toward more homes for sale throughout the country, the number of homes on the market is still well below the demand from buyers. What we can see today is that home buyers are more confident than the sellers, and they're ready to make up for lost time from the traditional spring market. Summer is gearing up to be the 2020 buying season, so including your house in the mix may be your best opportunity to sell yet. Interest in your house may be higher than you think with so few sellers on the market today. As Vivas says, more properties will have to enter the market in June to bring the number of options for buyers back to normal levels for this time of the year, nationwide and in all large markets. Bottom line, if you're ready to sell your home this summer, let's connect today. Buyers are interested, and they may be looking for a house just like yours. I'm Debbie Pellum with London Properties in Fresno, giving dreams an address.